Hey, if you are a crypto enthusiast, you will be familiar with many crypto sites. And cryptocurrency market has experienced a huge growth ever since the inception of decentralized finance technology and some other blockchain infrastructure. Fintech experts all over the world are working tirelessly to take cryptocurrency industry to the next level. Traditional financial systems have a lots of shortcomings. Lack of transparency, insecurity, and inefficiency are the predominant barriers in the centralized financial setting. Blockchain technology has emerged to correct all this imbalance, hence offering a sustainable, transparent, reliable, and highly efficient decentralized financial services with high potential of profitability. Blockchain technology is a breakthrough technology in the global financial landscape. It is a revolutionary technology that will serve the interest of the masses better. It offers a very secure, anonymous, cheaper, and modern financial services. In this video, I will discuss about Starbucks platform, which I do believe everyone will find very interesting. So, what is Starbucks? Starbucks is a company which offers consulting services with various business technologies tools for business who want to improve their business. Starbucks offers solutions which help business in accelerating their business digitally. Starbucks offers business operation digitization and also offers tokenized securities. Starbucks platform has emerged to reshape how business used to be. Starbucks is a platform open for the masses. Business wanting positive transformation into their business can easily integrate Starbucks platform service. Starbucks is a regularity compliant platform. Business and clients who wants to use their service are guaranteed with rest of mind and safety because the platform is regulated and can safely deal in digital assets, security tokens, payment tokens, and other form of digital services. Starbucks offers the best solution for businesses. Having recognized by its competence and standard of service standard, the company was awarded as the Asset Tokenization of the Year in the award ceremony held by AIBC Summit. Starbucks is a company designed to change the way business as usual. It restructured business shape, transforming business digitally into a modern vision. Starbucks issues digital assets and manage it on behalf of its client. As I said that Starbucks offers technology tools business required for their digital transformation and also offer consulting services. It offers comprehensive ecosystem for tokenized securities and business consulting services. User focuses on their platform while Starbucks manage any digital related service such as issuance of digital assets, legal management, consulting services, asset tokenization, STO consulting, and many more. Let's talk about some services of Starbucks. You are currently seeing Starbucks services that they provide. First service that you are seeing is digital securities. And there are two types of that service. One is digital security dashboard. That means Starbucks offers a solution which enables clients, business, companies to tokenize their business, assets, and rising funds, reaching out to the global investor and trading their shares. All these digital services can be conducted on Starbucks Digital Securities Dashboard. Another is Digital Security Swap. That means Starbucks platform enables user to swap their tokens. User can swap their tokens to available listed tokens in Starbucks platform. Second service that Starbucks provide is consulting. One of the type of consulting is tokenization consulting. That means business willing to tokenize their business can easily partner with Starbucks. The company will offer all technological tools required to digitize your business. Starbucks also supports in connecting business to legal expertise where the needs are required. Second, you are seeing that legal management. Stobox supports business in legal procedure requires towards issuing and offering digital assets. Another service Stobox provides that is exchange. Stobox offers crypto swapping platform as well as crypto exchange service with advanced technology that will enable user to trade crypto assets safely and profitably. Non-fungible token is one kind of activity of Stobox that they provide. Non-fungible asset is a new class of assets that is booming in decentralized finance space. Stobox will provide this class of assets to early adopter in its platform. Stobox is a game-changing fintech company focuses on revolutionizing the global business digitally. So, why are you waiting for? Hurry up guys, grab the opportunity now. Thank you all